Alright, today's the day. Let's check this status package. And oh my god, it's delivered. Yo, I've been waiting for this. Alright, how's it going, guys? Today is Wednesday, July 24th. I'm so excited for today because I just received an email for my motorcycle helmet from CycleGear that I bought. I know this face doesn't say it all, but believe me, deep down in my heart, I'm so excited for today. And based on the tracking number, the package is gonna be arriving today at 5 p.m. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, so right now it's 5:28. So I'm gonna check my email, type cycle. Oh my god, I don't know how to type, but CycleGear, there you go. So my order has shipped and I'm gonna track my package. Let's see how it goes. And oh my god, it's delivered. Okay, it's time to pick up my package downstairs. Alright, so right now I'm going downstairs to pick up the package. And look at this. Hot summer in LA. It's like 85 degrees. But it's beautiful though. Look at the sky. Look at all of the package. I mean, who doesn't get excited for their package? It's right here. CycleGear. Alright, I'm gonna put down this camera. Here you go, CycleGear. I got the package. And we're gonna do a little unboxing video. But right now, I have to go to one more door. Where's my key at? Right here. Alright, we're back on the track. We're going to the stairs. I'll make sure I take my step carefully because I don't want to drop this brand new helmet. Alright, so I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's a different day. That's because I had some problem with my camera battery yesterday, so I can't film. But I swear, it's still sealed. It's still brand new. I haven't opened it, and I'm so excited to open it right now. Let's get started and open this package. It's AGV K1 Winter Test 2015. Open now. Whew, man, it's beautiful. Put it right here. Oh my god. Here you go, AGV K1 Winter Test 2015. So guys, so let me just get this out of the way and look at how the box is, like how beautiful it is. It's all black out. There's like AGV logo everywhere. So the reason I bought this helmet is because it's pretty cheap for people who are just starting a motorcycle, and it's starting off at $249. So I had a AGV K3S3 in the past and it fits me pretty well. So the difference between K3S3 and K1 is that the K3S3 have a sun visor built into their helmet. So this one doesn't have the sun visor. So I bought the AGV GT2 pin lock face shield in iridium gold. It's so bright. Like, I like the graphic. That is the main reasons why I bought this helmet. Look at the helmet. It's kind of have like a winter vibe on it. Alright, let's start in the front of the helmet. Right off the bat, we can see the AGV logo right here on the top of the helmet with 3 ventilation system that we can open it up, and the other 2 ventilation system is gonna be down here at the chin bar area. Man, just take a second and look at this graphic. So it's a MotoGP inspired helmet by Valentino Rossi. That's why it has the 46 number on it on both sides of the helmet. And this helmet is pretty light. It's 3.6 pound. So you can take it to the track with your buddies or just use it for daily commute. And starting at $250, I would say this helmet is pretty affordable with eye-catching graphic, MotoGP inspired. I know this is an entry-level helmet in the motorcycle world. This helmet comes with the OT and ECE rating standard. It's right here, down here. Right, DOT rating standard. So it's this helmet is gonna keep the riders safe in the event of crash. Right, so that is it, guys. So what do you guys think about the graphic on this helmet? So let me know down on the comment section below, and see you on another video.